all the eyes in the national capital, in the one out of 7 seats, which is very interesting, is the Northeast Delhi seat, because in Delhi BJP has only repeated one candidate, and that is Manoj Tiwari, and he's taking on Kanhaiya Kumar from the candidate of India Alliance and the Congress candidate. And Kanhaiya Kumar and Manoj Tiwari, the common factor from both the candidates is that both of them hail from Bihar, and the huge number of voters, if we see the caste optics, the Bhojpuri voters are huge in number. If we talk precisely about Northeast Delhi, if you go across the Yamuna lines, the Northeast Delhi entire constituency starts, and that is the place where both of them are campaigning. Kanhaiya Kumar has gained a lot of social traction and has been continuously stating that in Northeast Delhi, Manoj Tiwari has not done any development work, while Manoj Tiwari is again campaigning on the Modi factor, and several places the boards and the hoardings of the Ram Mandir was also put up by Manoj Tiwari, and the fight is very interesting. And therefore this time Kanhaiya Kumar since morning is also alleging that there the EVMs are being tampered, people from the Northeast Delhi are not being allowed to vote, and they're not being allowed to reach to the polling booths. These are the allegations which are levelled by Kanhaiya Kumar since morning, and Kanhaiya Kumar is right now at the polling stations, going every polling station and checking on the EVM and the polling agents as well, whether they're performing their duties well or not. And Kanhaiya Kumar is very confident that he will win, and Manoj Tiwari is going to lose. And in fact, he says that all the 7 seats will be won by India Alliance. But in all the 7 seats, we know that the New Delhi seat, where from right now I'm reporting, Samiksha, the visuals are on our frame, is from the polling booth. Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi both have gone inside to cast their vote. Somnath Bharti is the candidate who's taking on the candidate Basuri Swaraj, and this is the only seat, New Delhi, where BJP is very confident that the win from this seat is going to be huge margin, almost 2 to 3 lakhs, and it's going to be comfortable win, because New Delhi comprises of mostly of the urban voters and the government employees. And now in our frame, as we see, Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi both have casted their vote. We'll wait for the sound bite if we get any. If Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi will speak or not to the media here, because we see the huge sea of media also at this Nirman Bhavan polling booth, where Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have just now casted their vote. And this is the first time Samiksha, when the India Alliance from Aam Aadmi Party is the candidate from New Delhi. And Rahul Gandhi precisely stated yesterday also that first time Congress will be voting for Aam Aadmi Party, and Aam Aadmi Party and Congress also saw the internal rift in the party after the alliance was stitched between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress. As we can see, lot of chaotic visuals from inside the polling booth. The police trying to disperse the crowd as well. As now Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have casted their vote at the polling booth at Nirman Bhavan. So fight in all the 7 seats in Delhi is very interesting. Back to you, Niranjan.